smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
And there we are, the first morning. Just the young French girl who's up. Everyone's asleep. Good morning, day 2. It was a good night last night, nothing rained. It wasn't particularly windy. No mobile reception where we were, which is fair enough. There were 4 of us camped. Myself and Tim, and this young French girl and a French bloke. But I was really awake by 6. To be fair, so was the French girl. And I was away by 7. So I think we're all going to end up at the same place anyway. Because it's early doors. 25, 26k a day is probably enough for the first few days. And yeah, let's see where the day takes us. Beautiful rock formations. Yeah. Lots of risk. Probably not going to go up. Sandstone, weathered away. And I'm sure I'm going to get used to this. A camper van. There's another castle on the top of rocks. And another rock formation. Klingfelsen. But GR53 is that way. Another huge rock formation with an old castle on top. Slightly off trail, but you can walk up around it. Interesting. Not sure what I'll see. Even though we're in France, a lot of the signboards are actually in German. And some of these houses look very Germanic. So this village is clearly associated with a group of artists. There's artwork everywhere, and all the gîtes that are here all have some sort of artwork outside. So, but I'm a bit early for petit déjeuner, and there is no store. As if to prove my point, Obersteinbach, that's where we are. It's a long route up the side. Last few kilometres we've been on a series of logging roads or forestry roads. But it's a little bit cooler today, which is good, but we're expecting rain. just got very dark. I can hear it raining, but there are so many trails around here. You can get confused sometimes, you're looking at the wrong icon, but I'm still on GR53. More amazing rocks. Just over and into the next valley. Some walkers going the other way. Day hikers. We get these logs periodically and they don't clear them away, so I'm wondering if it's to stop cyclists or at least make it difficult for them. Four French adults out for a hike. So, Celestine and Cyril, we got back together, caught me at lunch. So that's really cool. Ooh, white and pink foxgloves. Coming into a managed hut that's boarded up at the moment, a bit early in the season. To the top of the tower. Celestine was saying that Tim's sleeping pad popped overnight, so he's actually gone back to Strasbourg, so I won't see him probably unless he catches up. But the two of us are making our way down this manufactured zigzag.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Quite a town. This is getting water.
Okay.
Just got to the top as the rain comes.
Ouais,
À 5 minutes près.
il fallait pas boire un café plus. Hein.
Yeah.
And here we are, Cyril, Celestine and myself, underneath the castle.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.